Okay, let's go. I have no idea where this is going to go, guys. Oh. Okay. I'm fairly sure. Just for that sky. It crashed. Get to the chopper. That's the only Schwarzenegger joke you're going to get from me today, guys. Eachine E110. Echine's awesome little spy drone helicopter thingy. Looks much like, yeah, you know, the one that you've seen in the media recently. This is Echine's little budget answer to a little bit of outdoor fun with a helicopter. I've already done a review, unboxing, tech specs of this unit. I've got the 2 battery version here. Check it out up on the screen up there. Today I'm going to have a fly out here. It's a tiny bit windy, but certainly not too bad at all for the little 110 to rip through. Do a bit of a range test. I have actually done an off-screen range test of this, and I can give you a spoiler right now. If you go out of range with this, what's going to happen is, no, it's not going to return to home. It's not going to land safely. It's basically just going to fall out of the sky. So don't go any further than you think is necessary. And I would give it the length of a normal size football oval, and that's pretty much it. Trust me, I've already tested it, and she landed quite hard over there on the netball ground. So in the interest of you guys not damaging your 110, don't fly too far. However, I will do a height test today, and I can tell you, don't worry about going a long way up, because for some reason it goes a lot further up than it does out. Can't explain it. Antenna on the back here, who knows? Lots of fun. Let's get cracking. Now I have put my mobile device on the handy little remote here, which comes with this holder, so you are going to see some footage on the screen of the, I believe, 720p. I don't think it's 1080. It'll be on the screen anyway, of the onboard camera there. I'll have that tilted down about 45 degrees. See how that picture quality is, and I shall also record the screen so you guys can see what you're looking at. That will be in the latter half of the video. First off, let's go for a fly down and let's see how this thing flies. So to get this bird in the air, you simply turn on your remote controller, long press the power button. You'll see some blue lights flashing. Simply a matter of up and down, long beep, and we are now bound. Blue lights are solid, and you can see the 4 blue LEDs on the battery here. That just denotes how much power we have. So we're fully charged, looking at about around 15 minutes of flight time. Normal trim buttons on your remote. Speed selector on the left here, 1, 2 and 3. 3 is the fastest. Now you can either do a 1 press takeoff and land, or we can go old school and it's left stick bottom left and right stick bottom right, and she fires up. So get it to spool up. Sometimes if you try and start it, the props stuck together like this, what's going to happen is it's going to fall over. So just separate them out, let it spool up, and simply take off. Now we do have altitude hold, so it is meant to just sit exactly where you leave it. As you can see, I'm not holding it. There is a bit of wind, so I can play with the trim a little bit just to compensate for that wind. The tiniest bit of breeze, folks, she's going to start drifting like it is now. Okay, let's have a fly around. What do you think? Sounds really cool. I've got it on speed number 3, so it is going to be quite nippy. Let's put it on number 1, and we'll just do a couple of passes. It's speed number 1. Speed number 2. A little bit faster. And number 3. And as you can see, 3 it does tend to twitch a lot more. Let's just get over here so the sun's not in our face, and we'll do a flyby of speed number 3. It does tend to scoot along. It's a little bit of blade cutting through the air there. Sounds pretty cool. And if you think you need to be an expert to fly this, guys, absolutely not. It is meant for beginners and novices and anyone who likes a little toy in the office. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's not drain the battery too much. Oh, it is a little bit breezier than I would have liked, so I'm going to go straight into a height test, and I'm just going to show you guys how far up you can go with this thing. Okay, and up we go. La la la, talk amongst yourselves. Oh, it's windy up there. No, it's a bit too windy for my liking. Yeah, okay. Rest assured, folks, it goes a long way up. I might try that again once I've got my camera hooked up so we can get a bit of aerial footage. But trust me, it goes a dang long way up. Alright. Okay, come back down. It's meant to rain tomorrow, so the wind is picking up. So we'll have to hurry a little bit. No, there's a bin chicken. Stay away from my helicopter, bin chicken. Okay, let's hook up my mobile device and let's get some on screen recording going. Okay, one touch landing activated. Oh, very nice. Okay, we still have 3 out of the 4 LEDs showing, so let's hook up my mobile device and get some screen recording going. Okay, it's simply a matter of hooking it up via your Wi-Fi and good to go, guys. So I'm actually doing a screen recording of my phone, and I shall also hit the record button on the left there for the video camera, so we can see which actually looks a little bit better. Let's roll. Okay, let's go for an explore, see how far our footage takes us. I might just knock it back to number 1 so it's not quite so twitchy. Nice picture. Nice picture on the phone anyway. I'm not too sure what the recording's like. We'll have a look at that. Like I said, I'm going to be super smooth on the sticks. This is what happens if you're not super smooth on the sticks. It goes all over the place. Not really FPV type scenario, however, I am using it to fly around the place without actually looking at the actual helicopter. I'll have a look at it now. Okay, let's do a lap of the oval with a bit of height. That's looking pretty decent, guys. It's certainly a very nice picture on the phone. I wasn't actually sure which way I was going then. I had to look at the phone and worked out I was coming this way. Sun's in my eyes. It just cruises along really nicely. Oh, nippy. It's a nice little thing to fly, this is. Okay, let's head up to those lights so we can get some footage of the lights for you guys to look at on our way up. Oh yeah, she's windy up there. Okay, so I've lost control now. Oh no, no. I actually think I may have lost a bit of control then, because it's heading over the trees. It's not really responding. It could be the wind. I think we better bring it back down. Number 3. Come back to me. Come back to me. Don't fly in the trees. Don't fly in the trees. Okay. Not too sure what happened then. A little bit of wind. Okay. Okay, before things go pear-shaped, let's put on number 3 and let's shoot off up into the sky, and let's see how far that video footage is going to go at altitude. And warning, this could end really badly, guys, so I apologise. I do tend to push these little things probably further than their realm of abilities, but I do like to see how far things can go. Okay, that's a long way up. I haven't lost signal yet. Wow, look guys, it's still got signal. I don't know if you can see how far up I am. Let's just let go of the sticks there. Okay. Oh, I can't actually see it anymore. No. Yeah, I can't see it. I can't actually control it. And we still have video. Okay, I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to lose it. It's going to go a long way away. Come on, come down. That's one touch land it. Go. One touch landing. Let's see what happens. Okay, she's coming down quick. Can you one touch land from 100 meters up? I'm about to let you know. At least the picture's smooth. Come on, one touch land. Why are you going over there? Uh-oh. One touch land. I think we're safe, guys. Oh, that was a bit sketchy. Successful. It went a long way up, folks. A long way up. Further, certainly, than I could actually further than I could see to control it, hence my apprehension. Okay, let's just do some high-speed runs, keep that video going. Yeah, it's getting a bit windy out here now. What a cracker of a unit, folks. As you can see, yeah, a good 15 minutes of flight time from this battery. So if you do get the kit with 4, you're going to be flying for a long time. While I'm talking about kits, please have a look at the links below, guys, and that will take you straight to my supplier, who I'd like to thank for supplying me with this awesome little helicopter. And there's also a code there if you want to save yourself a couple of dollars, so that would be fantastic. Any questions? Drop me a comment. Anything you guys would like to know about this cool little 110? Lots of fun. Okay, let's see how much battery power we got left. We have been running for a fair bit of time now. One touch landing. Okay. Pretty cool, guys. Let's stop that recording. I'll stop my screen recording. Okay, we still have 2 LED lights on there, so we can actually fly even longer if we need to. Pretty awesome, guys. Eachine E110. I do have a review of the helicopter version of this, the 4-bladed prop one, coming out pretty soon, so keep an eye out for that. Nice bit of kit at a good price and a hell of a lot of fun. See you next time for a quick spy. Eachine E110. Sky Pilot. Catch you later, guys. Bye for now.